Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating another one of my signature full system conversions where I convert the 8-track and the radio for optimum performance with each other. This unit or this equipment comes from Al in Guilford, New Hampshire, out of a 1969 Cadillac DeVille convertible. Ooh, convertible. I guess that might explain why he chose to go with a new harness in place of the original connectors, because with a new harness you got a heck of a lot more output power to overcome road noise. And also the Bluetooth feature, which this customer ordered, has an optional external mic that you can use to put your microphone closer to your mouth, for like when you've got the top down and you want to be able to speak intelligently. You can actually mount that external microphone on a visor so it's right in front of your mouth. So Al has requested the modern internal conversion. Radio is already AM FM, so it doesn't really add FM, but it does add a lot more output power. We've got the Bluetooth and USB features, which we'll be demonstrating as well. So what the heck, let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
City Hall is just not built for
so there's our AM,
people to be on
and we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions.
Immigrant experience. Their immigrant experience
okay,
so far.
Virtual front rear fader.
And the city is looking for way.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
experience,
so now the same control is adjusting
kinder and gentler. It
all
looks
the way front. All the way rear.
Why are all these? A lot of them,
front,
quite frankly, let's
rear.
say Guinea.
Okay, I'm going to center it.
That's one of the countries they're coming from, Guinea.
Fader set. Okay, left, right balance.
Passing around fake news that
balance adjust.
Readily available.
So
maybe
now,
all the
way
that's
left,
not fake anymore.
all the way right.
Maybe it's not fake.
Left.
There is a plan to turn
right.
these people into Democrat voters,
okay,
and that's what's really going on. Hey, Mark.
Balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
I've gone a little bit too far.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure the USB
Johnson, the Speaker of the House,
plays music stored on a radio commercial. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Alrighty. For himself. Mike Johnson, I don't.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, but it's a 69.
Ted.
Okay, so pull that out. The radio comes back. Let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
You don't come back to the cross.
And you.
Okay, last thing is to check the 8-track.
If your chick's flown the coop, she's
Pairing not completed.
Good girl, fine. Put the blues on the ride. Found a boy to hold the head of you all night. Sing bounce the world on its string.
Okay, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And you might have noticed that during that tape demonstration, the lady came back on saying pairing not completed. And that's because I didn't actually try to pair it with a portable audio device. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, and that indicates that the Bluetooth function is working properly. So she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video, or maybe even not do too much else the rest of the day, because it's been a pretty rough few days. But at any rate, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you just see what I can do to your old radio and 8-track. I can make them sound brand new. I can make the 8-track sound better than it ever did, including when it rolled off the assembly line, and that's because I use a different preamp in place of the factory preamp. It's a preamp that I have designed and built myself to give a nice treble boost and also a nice volume boost to help that 8-track to bring old tapes out of the mud. 8-track tapes tend to lose treble over the years with wear and with age. So my preamp boosts the treble so that the 8-tracks sound good again. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Al, for your business all the way from Guilford, New Hampshire, and we'll see you guys next time.